we've been doing some handyman stuff here in the garage, and we let some of the dogs out with us too because we figure why not? It's a nice day outside, and you know, might as well let them have a little fun with us. So Molly is out with her friends, and they're doing a birthday thing with one of her biker friends. When I say biker, I mean bicycle. But so what we did was we got some stuff hung up for her in the garage. She's been wanting her bikes hung up in a couple of spots over here by where we got the racks. We got bicycle number 1 right here. That is her road bike. And then bicycle number 2, her hybrid over here. Got it hung up. And then we went ahead and... Oh, hello, Maximus. What are you doing? Looking for food? And then I got Jackson's bicycle over here. Now, his will most likely be down on the ground most of the time. But what it does is during the winter time or off-season time, we can get it up in the air and off the floor. Give me more floor space. As you can see, it gets these 2 bikes out of the way. It keeps it where she can operate and get to them pretty easy, and they don't take up a lot of space, but they tuck right here perfectly with the racks, the kayaks, and now the bikes. Pretty much, this is a one-stop shop for everything. Maximus, the big guy, he has been keeping an eye on things for us. And then Bantam, the old man, he's 15. He was losing his brains inside and really wanted to come out with us. I guess separation anxiety is what we're going to say. But clears up this area over here where Molly had bikes collecting on me and on the mat. And with it out of the way there, I'm regaining some of my floor space back. These mats, now that the weather's starting to break, maybe we can get those cleaned up, taken over to the studio, and free me up a little bit more space in the garage. And then I can start using the tool table and stuff like that. Have my pathway back over here. Squat rack, waiting for somebody to pick that up. That'll open up definitely a ton more space over here. But things are coming on to shape. Mr. Bones approves. He's ready for pool season. So the pulley systems work real simple. I got a cleat over here on the wall and swing over here, coming into an unlock position. Carefully lower it down. Once I get down to the floor, we unhook, do what you got to do with the bike. When you're all done, put the hooks back on in place and take it all the way back up. Real simple. Oops, don't get caught up on a pedal. Always goes a little bit higher on the lead pulley side, so I'll take it up at an angle, and then I'll drop it back down, level it out, lock the pulley in place, hang back up on the cleat, and we're good to go. That easy. This one works the same way. They all work the same way. Maximus, look out. Somebody trying to sneak some food. Sneaky. Maximus don't care. He's just like, whatever. When's dinner? When's dinner? He's making a break for it. Come back, Bantam. We still care about you. He old. A 15-year-old dog. Definitely has dementia. But he's our dog. Hello. How are you, Mr. Bano? Oh, hello. Thanks for watching today's episode of Rob's Garage, where we learn about how to live a happy life by keeping yourself a happy wife. Me hanging her bikes up on the ceiling will make her happy, which will make me happy, which makes us all happy. Hit the like button, make sure to leave a comment, and let's push this channel through YouTube's algorithm.